transmission, you're breaking up. Earth to Space Station 1. Repeat, last transmission, you're breaking up.
Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today we're doing a new Vegas Pro 16 tutorial on a video glitch effect. It's a real cool looking effect. I like anything to do with glitches. They really look really cool. So here we have a video track of a space station circling the Earth. So let's duplicate this track, right click, duplicate track, right click, insert video track. Let's go to media generators, select test pattern, select SMPTE bars, drag that to the first track. Go to video effects for TV simulator. Reset to none, drag it to the first track. And these can be set to 0. To 0 mode. They're not going to make a difference. Now go to compositing mode. Select custom. Select Vegas displacement map. If you're using Sony Vegas, it's going to say Sony Vegas displacement map. It's the same thing. Click OK. Now these can be adjusted to taste. It's all to your whatever you prefer. So for me on this one, I'm just going to adjust the horizontal only. Under Edge Pixel Handling, make sure you select Wrap Pixels Around. Alpha Channel scales RGB channels. Make sure that's selected. Now go to File, Properties. Under Stereoscopic 3D Mode, select Anaglyphic Red Cyan. Now once you do that, the video gets desaturated, so we can fix that at the end. Now back under Video Effects, Stereoscopic 3D Adjust, drag that to the second track. Just adjust it a bit so you get the colors showing a bit there. Let's get there. Okay, so let's make this a little smaller. Let's copy it, paste it, and split it. I'm doing this with one hand, that's why it's a little slow. So delete the excess. So put it back. Video glitches nicely. And you can add a sound effect in there too to make it look a little more cool. So let's fix the saturation. So under video effects, go to saturation adjust, drag the default one to the third track. Amount all the way to the right. Center almost all the way to the right. And low all the way to the right. So when you uncheck these, you see it's desaturated, but when you check them back on, bring the saturation back up. Fixes it. So you put it back, something like this. So once again, like I said, if you add a sound effect in there, it gives it a little more realistic appearance to the video. So that's basically all you have to do to create a video glitch effect in Vegas. If you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't find it helpful, I guarantee if you browse my videos, you'll find one in there you will like. So once again, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.